Alright, if you have a Audi and it doesn't start, maybe you think that you need a new battery or you need to boost your battery. It's not that. So I got a booster pack, hook it up to the cable, it's ready to go. Put the key on, and this is what you get. Where's the key? Let's see. Light on the dash, but it won't start. This is just stone cold dead. Steering wheel's locked. Radio, nothing. Press the brake. Put it on gear, nothing. It's just stone cold dead. So you don't know what to do. So first step I do is hook up the scanner to this connector here. So first thing I do, just making sure if there's power in there, is you get a test light. Connect it to ground, the body of the vehicle. Test it on the battery, make sure it light and it lit. Bottom right corner is the power on this thing. And you can tell it's a power, alright? So that's good. We have power there. My scan tool, the Maxicom808bt. Let's plug her in. Auto detect. Alright, back to the wiring diagram. So here's that connector, the data link. Fuse 5 amps, and then it goes to this is the main feed, the relay, the supply power relay. That's protected by 60 amp from the battery 60 amp supply relay. Here's the power supply. This is the control. Positive. Negative is this access start control module. So the negative circuit is the switch side that would close this coil, energize this coil, close this bridge. It will power up our connector. This fuse I checked already, it's good. 60 amp is good. This is under the driver's seats. That's good. This one is good. So this, I'm gonna jump this relay. See if we get. After jumping this relay, we should have power here. So basically just number 4 here. We're gonna jump the negative. Alright, failed again. Alright, we're gonna jump the relay. So the relay is right there. This is the main power supply relay to this ECU. So the jump the negative, we're gonna test light. Alright, took the relay. The number 4, like on that chart, is the relay 85. Okay, 85. 86 is the coil. This is the coil. And this big fat spade connector is the supply power leads. That's power. So, negative on the test light. We're gonna apply negative here and make sure we have power in the battery. There you go. I heard something clicking. Again. Alright. I heard something clicking. Something's working. It's not gonna start the engine. Oh, you know that. Alright, let's see if we have communication here now. Alright, I had to jump the battery because my booster pack is dead. We got 12 volts here. It's showing. That's when it's working. 10 volts. Alright, so we got connection now. We got, after doing the bridge on this supply relay, we got connection. We got some reading. So ECU control module fault. The only thing passed is TCM. Brakes no good. Keyless. Central electronic. Driver's seat is good. Oh my god, there's lots. Transmission. Let's try one of these then. What's it's gonna show? We still got 10 volts on a battery, so we're good. Trouble codes. Signal. Fog lamps. No, we don't want those. Steering column electronics. Yeah, it's not working because it's faulty. No communication. ECU. Trouble codes. Oil pressure, evap, heater, O2 sensor. 49493 is the code for the lost communication. Instrumental panel, cluster. Yeah, that's just the information of that code, what it's about. We know there's no power, so alright, my battery is dying. 8.5 volts. So basically we need to find where is the problem. Blow and fuse relay is not working. I did a work of this already, and leading to that piece right there. To take that piece out is you have to take out the whole steering upper column. That piece is called axis start control module. So you can tell that this is my test light right here. I ground that out, everything lights up. Well, not everything, but some ECUs, relays, fuses woke up. I can hear it clicking. So it looks like the ground side is that axis start control module. There's one right there. There's one over there. Everything is all tied in. There's one right there. Another one there. And that's about it. So that video is about hooking up a power to the system and turn on your scan tool, because there's no power, there's no communication on that scan tool at all, and by doing that you bridge that relay right there. It's just a quick way to find out using your scanner and what's going on,
because everything is dead. So yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.